Thank you for joining us for another edition of It's Your Business. I'm Teresa Ebrio. Pots and pans are an important part of any kitchen, but with so many options to choose from, how do we know where to even begin when it comes to purchasing them? Alfredo Lorenzo is the owner of J&E Restaurant and Supply in Bakersfield. He's here today to dish out some tips on what to look for. What are some things that we should consider when shopping for cookware?
There will be price, how easy to clean, how the material of the cookware reacts with the food, the weight of the pot or the cookware you're looking for, and also how the material conducts the heat.
You brought some different products in from your store. Let's go take a look at them.
This is a copper pot. Copper is one of the oldest cooking vessels. This one is it's a beautiful pot. It's very heavy. That's a disadvantage. The good thing about copper is that it cooks very even because it's such a good heat conductor. One of the biggest problems with copper is that it reacts with the food in a very bad way, especially with acidic foods like tomatoes. It reacts and creates copper toxicity, which is very lethal. That's why they line it with the stainless steel. And this particular one is 90% copper, 10% stainless steel, so it's a very thin layer of stainless. That way you can take advantage of the good things that copper has to offer. Stainless steel is a very nice pot. It looks beautiful. It maintains the look. It's easy to clean. It doesn't react with the food. The bad thing is that it's a really bad heat conductor. So it heats only on the bottom. The rest of your pot is cold. New technology has helped that out by introducing other materials like aluminum or copper that are really good heat conductors. They put a clad of aluminum or copper on the bottom, making the pot very good for heat transfer. And right now you get the best of all worlds. Aluminum is probably the most popular of all the materials. It's not as heavy. It's somehow easy to clean. It's very affordable. It's a really good heat conductor. It's a very good pot. I'm very comfortable using aluminum. Cast iron, very popular. Very hard to clean, very heavy. It's popular for campfires, popular for sizzling serving plates like steak or fajitas. It takes a long time to heat, but once it heats up, it maintains the heat for a long time. Steel. Steel is not a good heat conductor. It rusts. The good thing about it is wok cooking, Chinese cooking, because it maintains the heat on the bottom, which is what they want. They use the wall as a warmer. Let's go to the frying pans. This is something really popular. Either aluminum like this one or stainless steel. Teflon. Doesn't matter how good a Teflon is, it will wet off. It will come apart. This manufacturer called Vollrath has something that has a process called ceramic guard. And what they do is they use ceramic pellets mixed with the Teflon that help on the life of the Teflon and also in the way that it holds the heat. Now it will come off, so it's a good thing not to use metal utensils. Always use resin utensils, Teflon utensils, high-temp nylon or wood utensils, and you will be having a very lasting pan.
What's the difference between buying restaurant quality cookware at J&E Restaurant Supply and other retailers?
Basically, what we sell at J&E is really heavy duty. Once again, it's designed for a restaurant environment where they're going to be used 24/7. You can tell by the thickness of the pots. You can tell by how strong they just built, how they are built. If I were to get a pot that is built for residential use and the same size as this pot and just pretty much heat the two pots together, this one will make a hole in the other pot because it's just designed, built so much better.
Thank you, Alfredo. As most chefs know, what you're cooking with is just as important as what you're cooking because every kitchen needs cookware they can rely on. Thank you for watching this edition of It's Your Business. If you want to see the segment again, just go online to turn23.com, click on It's Your Business link, look for J&E Restaurant Supply.